Coming to fourth question of exercise 4.1, construct rhombus best. So again, when we will start the question, as usual, this will be the rough part, this will be the construction part, and this will be the steps of construction. We divide the page into the following manner. Okay, now rough part, quadrilateral is the rhombus, we have to naming it as BEST best. Okay, so a quadrilateral is a figure with four-sided figure, and naming will be clockwise as I said or anti-clockwise. So I am starting from here, BEST, this part done. Okay, now BE is 4.5 centimeter, BE is 4.5 centimeter, and ET we have to join this. Okay, see, E to T, ET is 6 centimeter. So again you will say that sir, only one side is given and one diagonal is given. So the thing is that the quadrilateral is a rhombus, and a rhombus is a figure with all of its sides equal measurements, right? So since is a rhombus with all sides of equal measurement, therefore BE will be equal to ES, will be equal to ST, will be equal to TB. All sides will be of 4.5 centimeter. So this will be also 4.5, this will also be 4.5, this will also be 4.5. So now we have all the four sides and one diagonal, so we can start the construction part. Okay, so first we will draw this ES base of 4.5 centimeter, right? So a line of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so SE is of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, SE. So first step is draw SE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now second step will be from SS center and from ES center we will draw arcs. Okay, from S an arc of 4.5 centimeter, from E an arc of 6 centimeter, and they will join at T. Okay, so from S an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so from S we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter using compass. Okay, so this SS center, okay, I'm drawing an arc of 4.5 centimeter. From ES center we will draw an arc of 6 centimeter. So from ES center an arc of 6 centimeter, and the point of intersection will be named as T. Okay, so step is taking SS center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, and taking ES center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter intersecting previously drawn arc at T. At T point it is intersecting. Okay, then we will join these two. So third step is join ST and ET. Okay, with this point of intersection, okay, we will join E point and S point. Okay, so ST is of 4.5 centimeter and ET is of 6 centimeter. Okay, now from ES center we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, and from TS center we will draw an arc of 4.5. So the point of intersection will be B. Okay, so from ES center we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, So from E also 4.5, and from T also it is 4.5 centimeter, and the point of intersection of these two arcs is named as B. Okay, so fourth point, taking E as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, and taking T as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting previously drawn arc at B. Okay, this point is B. Then what we have to do, we have to join B to E and B to T. Okay, so join BE and BT. Okay, so we will join this. Okay, and BE is also of 4.5 centimeter and BT is also of 4.5 centimeter. So at last we will write BEST is required quadrilateral. So in the end, again I am telling you all these things. Whenever you are doing this construction question, it should have rough part, it should have the construction part, it should have the steps of construction. Rough part and construction part I have drawn here with sketch pen. You don't use this. Okay, you draw it with pencil only. Even naming should also be with the pencil only. Each and everything, arc and all, everything in the construction and rough part should be with pencil only. Step of construction you can write with pen. Okay, so this finished the first part of the practical geometry, that is to construct the quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, next part we will see the second type, that is when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, till then have a good day to everyone.